Hi, I'm Jimmy and I work for Ronseal. Me and my colleagues at Ronseal have created loads of content to help you get the DIY done as quickly and as painlessly as possible. So we're going to prove to you that it does exactly what it says on the tin. Start by giving the oil a good shake and pour it out. To save time, you'll want to use a large paintbrush. Focus on 3 to 4 boards at a time to avoid any overlap marks. Now, all you have to do is wait 4 hours and apply your second coat. After waiting 4 hours for that to dry, you're done. One beautifully oiled deck that shows up all the natural beauty of the wood. Once you've finished your job, then you need to make sure you clean your tools. And depending on which oil you've used from Ronseal, the cleanup is quite different. If you've used our Ultimate Protection decking oil, then warm soapy water will do the trick for you. And if you've used our Nourishing decking oil, then white spirit and brush cleaner is what you need. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.